From Beanie Babies to Furbies, Tamagotchis to Cabbage Patch Dolls, the latest toy fad can often fade as fast as it takes off. So with a new toy creating global hysteria this week, my wife should look away. Because just how long will it last?
Overnight lines, packed shopping centres and stock that sells out in minutes.
We got some Labubu.
Oh my God, stop. Why are you so cute?
Just what we're spending our adult money on.
These toothy little collectible monsters are Labubus, and they have become an unlikely status symbol.
Can we talk about how we've gone from wearing this on our Birkin bag to wearing this?
Labubu's coming.
The most wanted thing in Europe.
The fluffy figurines are inspired by Nordic folklore, the brainchild of artist Kassing Lund.
During my early childhood, I loved reading graphic novels. These became the nutrients for my creative work.
But when you buy one, you don't know exactly what you're getting until it's out of the box.
Green, 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 green.
Stop. Oh my God, stop. This is like the colour I actually wanted.
It's the soy milk. Oh my God, I'm literally shaking. No, why do I love it so much?
A single Labubu will set you back anywhere from $30 to more than $85. They go for even more on resale sites. And last year alone, Chinese toy maker Popmart made more than $1 billion from the doll.
I'm just obsessed with them.
I think they're the real deal. History's going to show that these end up at the longevity scale with Funko Pops, with Pokemon trading cards. Beanie Babies fell away, they burned bright and they burned fast, and I don't think that's going to happen with these.
The dolls first launched in 2015, but it wasn't until Lisa from K-pop band Blackpink started raving about Labubus that the mania really took off.
So when this guy has a tail, they call Simomo. If she doesn't have tail, we call her Labubu.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Who is this?
So is the Labubu craze here to stay, or will they all end up in the Labin bin?
No! Shut up! Shut up!
The anime market, the manga market is very, very strong. The young kids are into them. The teenagers and the 20-somethings are really latching onto them as their next thing. I think Labubus are here to stay because I think they're the next successor to Hello Kitty, and I think they are the next logical step.
I mean, not to be dramatic, but I think everyone needs one of these in their life.
Not to be dramatic, but I agree. Look at them. Look how gorgeous. This, honestly, may be my greatest achievement in life, getting these. Like, I can't stress that enough.
As a man who has far too many Pez dispensers, you have an illness.
But look how gorgeous they are. I became obsessed with these when one of my best friends, she got onto the craze ahead of everyone else last year. And they've just been so difficult to source here in Australia. And then there was a magical pop-up store. And I think I bought everything that I possibly could at the time. And it has given me so much joy.
What is going on?
What is
going on?
Look how gorgeous they are. This is soy milk. This is toffee. Look how gorgeous.
They are. I'm not gonna yuck you.
This is why I'm lactose intolerant.
No, but honestly, because you can understand because it's the collectible nature of it, right?
Yes,
and maybe I didn't realise just how cuckoo I was when these came out.
Just not judgment.
It seems like judgment.
concern.
Just why? I don't.
You also don't know, like, because it's a blind opening, you don't know what you're going to get. So I think it is that as well. It's like this gamification of our entire culture, and I'm for it.
I thought it was a French mistake. Labubu.
How many ushies would you swap me those for?
I would not swap them.
Yeah. I got a pile of ushies if anyone's interested. See you on Marketplace.